If you click on this video, it means that you would like to take your smartphone videos to the next level. And with the DJI Osmo Mobile 2, it's absolutely possible. Mais oui, évidemment. And welcome back to my channel. Celine here. Hey, quick tip. If you're here for the first time, you should consider subscribing. I'm a TV journalist for over 17 years now and I am passionate about new technologies. I do reviews, tutorials, and like today, I make also vlogs. This video is entirely filmed with my Osmo Mobile 2 and my iPhone 8 Plus. With this gimbal, it's easy to get out of the bedroom and vlog from absolutely anywhere. So let's choose a very nice place to make this video. Qu'est-ce que vous pensez de Miami Beach? Is it good for you? Okay, let's go! I'm sorry, did I say this video will only be shot with my Osmo Mobile 2? I meant with my Osmo Mobile 2 and my DJI SPark. Can't be in Miami without drone shots, right? If you want to know how to make cinematographic shots with your gimbal, the Osmo Mobile 2 or any other gimbals, check out my previous video right here. So which place did you prefer here in Miami? Let me know in the comment section down below. I had a great time with you all and I would like to thank you who subscribed to my channel. I apologize if I don't answer to your comment right away. I have been very busy these days. Oui, as well. But I will, just give me some time. If you're still here, well, smash the thumbs up button just down below and you know what I'm going to say. Subscribe to my channel. And if you did already subscribe, thank you so much. Vous êtes super. See you next Monday. Salut!